Everyone, my name is Chris Morris. I'm with Undercover, and we're here at the SEMA show. We've got a new product this year called the Undercover Triad. It is a top mount folding cover that our customers have been asking for us for a couple years. It's coming out here at the beginning of the year. It's a fold snap, so if you just fold it to this position, you need to make sure you buckle the buckles into the cover on both sides to keep it nice and secure as you go down the road. And if you need full bed access, this comes off in literally 2 seconds. You just undo the 2 retainer bolts on either side of the front of the cover, and the cover comes completely off, out of your way for hauling something large. And whenever you're done, put it back on where it goes, and at the end, back by the tailgate, you just put the clamps back on, and it's nice and secure on the vehicle. So the Undercover Triad uses our matte finish aluminum panels, and the extrusions are matte finish too. As you can see, they're a little rounded off on the edges, so it's a little more low profile design, not big and bulky. And again, it gives you more of that secure, hard cover look. If you would like to have more information on our new Undercover Triad, please go to undercoverinfo.com for more information.